Good day. This is Jessica from Milesight marketing team. I am thrilled to kick off today's session where we will take a deep dive into the Milesight IoT product lineup, especially the hardware-related products. And during the presentation, you are encouraged to stop me whenever you have questions. So let's dive in. Currently, Milesight boasts an extensive portfolio with over 100 products catering to a wide range of requirements. Our offerings include sensing nodes, connection devices, 5G suites, and various additional services. Our sensing nodes are designed to gather accurate data from the environment, enabling organizations to monitor and analyze vital parameters effectively. Most of the nodes support LoRaWAN communication and also cellular LPWAN technologies. Milesight controllers refer to a series of controllers that based on LoRaWAN or cellular 4G. These controllers are designed to offer seamless integration with the legacy sensors, and the weather stations are commonly deployed in meteorological applications, agriculture, environmental monitoring, and other fields where accurate weather data is essential. To facilitate seamless connectivity, we provide a range of connection devices that enable efficient communication between devices and networks. These devices play a crucial role in establishing secure and robust connections, such as the LoRaWAN gateways, cellular routers, and switches. Recognizing the potential of 5G technology, Milesight has developed 5G suites that leverage the power of this advanced network infrastructure. These suites enable high-speed data transfer, low latency, and enhanced reliability, unlocking new possibilities for IoT deployments. In addition to our broad product range, we offer extra software platforms tailored to cater to the diverse needs of our customers. At Milesight, we are committed to innovation, and every year brings a wave of amazing new products. Our product strategy is centered around three key areas: energy efficiency, occupancy people counting, and environmental sensing. We'll keep on finding more possibilities. Milesight's product strategy focuses on delivering comprehensive solutions for building management systems, with a particular emphasis on energy efficiency, indoor air quality monitoring, and HVAC optimization. The occupancy and people counting products help commercial building owners and retail customers achieve intelligent space management, data analysis, and resource utility distribution. For agriculture automation and precise control, smart irrigation operations can easily be realized by the environmental sensing products from Milesight. For temperature-sensitive appliances, such as storage and cold chain management, safety control, and quality control in food processes, customers can rely on our professional and food-grade temperature sensors to build up a total solution. Now let's jump into the details. In a smart building, Milesight offers an expanded range of products to ensure everything operates efficiently. They cover every concern from air quality to real-time people counting, from smart lighting and heating control to electric consumption measurement. Let's explore some of our key offerings. This is the overview of the Milesight AM series sensor, which is specially designed for indoor air quality monitoring. We offer 6 models to meet specific ambiance monitoring requirements. So you'll see a lot of similarities between these individual sensors, such as temperature and humidity, for a basic measure. The AM series distinguishes itself from other sensor brands by offering a range of unique features and capabilities not commonly found elsewhere. For the goodness of battery lifetime, we developed the hibernation mode in the AM 100 models. When you know you will not be using the sensors for an extended period, such as from 10 p.m. to 9 and for office ambiance monitoring, then you can enable the hibernation mode to save energy, as the AM 300 sensors monitor more parameters and consume more energy. So there's a sleep mode to stop the data updates on the screen when there's no PIR motion activity for 20 minutes continuously. For a more user-friendly experience, we introduce the emoticon indication, traffic light indicator, and built-in buzzer for audio alarm. By the way, good, fair, bad boundaries can be configured to your needs. And one thing worth mentioning here is the historical data storage and retransmission. As we all know, when using LoRa technology for data transmission, it is possible to experience data package loss. Now, data can be stored in the sensors, and they can't be manually deleted, and data will be transmitted again when the network connection is restored, which guarantees the network server gets all the data in any emergencies. Next is the Milesight thermostat. Our new line of products for heating, ventilation, and air conditioner system management includes the WT201 Smart Thermostat, designed for full house heating and cooling control using LoRaWAN protocol. It enables bulk and remote management with customized settings for different seasons and periods. Additionally, the WT301 FCU thermostat is specifically tailored for two-pipe fan coil unit systems, offering advanced features such as keycard functions for energy-efficient management in hotel environments. Through the accessories, the WT101 Smart Radiator Valve can be installed on all kinds of radiators in a heating system to provide intelligent control and automation. I'll be sorry if you don't know the Milesight GS series gas sensor. The GS101 is a LoRaWAN-based, battery-powered residential gas detector that allows you to detect methane leakage in kitchens of houses, apartments, hotels, etc. And the bathroom odor detector GS301, it's a 4-in-1 sensor for humidity, temperature, ammonia, and hydrogen sulfide detection. Due to the absence of an LED display on the sensors, they will immediately sound an audible alarm once detecting a gas leak. Apart from indoor air quality and energy efficiency, space utilization has become a hot topic in 2023. We use a variety of people counting devices to count in your applications. We know like no other that every location is different and requires a different approach and device suited to the specific area or height situation, which are all taken into our consideration. The devices we can offer are time-of-flight counting sensors, passive infrared counting sensors, AI vision sensors, and occupancy detectors. Take a shopping center as an example. For counting people at the main entrances, the people counter VS133, VS135, and VS121 are more than qualified to accurately track and record foot traffic. If you want to know the exact number of adults and children entering, while excluding staff members in a specific area and their dwell time, or make group counting, then both VS133 and VS135 can help you gain insights into customer behavior and foot traffic patterns. If you'd like to install it at 7 meters height, or in the inclined installation, or when one unit is not enough to cover the whole entrance area, then the VS135 is recommended because of its stitching and ultra-high installation. If you want to get the people flow analysis to calculate the traffic from different directions, or if you do care about queue counting where dense crowding or slow-moving pedestrian traffic occurs, I think the VS121 is the best choice. If you only need a cost-effective people counter for corridors or passageways, well, the VS350 with 2 PIR sensors will be the first option. And if you want to highly improve their experience in your shopping mall, using the desk seat occupancy sensors VS340 during the lunch hour can help visitors identify unoccupied seats quickly. And the VS330 occupancy sensor works the same way to let visitors know each cubicle's status in the washroom while protecting the user's privacy. And one thing worth mentioning is the PoA version is also available. If you prefer to power the sensors over Ethernet, with cowork. Our mission is to create safer, smarter, and more eco-friendly workplaces. To achieve this goal, we have successfully released 11 innovative models that are specifically designed to transform your working environment. The SWS 101 is a smart button. It's a great convenience for seniors, the sick, and small children to contact the caretaker or call for help. For more flexibility, you can define the meaning of individual operations such as short press, long press, and double press. The WS202 is the motion and light sensor. According to the human presence or according to the brightness of sunshine, the sensor can talk to light controllers to turn off the lights or pull down the blinds. The Smart Scene panel. Actually, it's a multi-button control panel that can simply activate different predefined scenarios with one press. You can customize various smart scenarios such as business mode, holiday mode, and meeting over mode, switching from one mode to another just in a second. You can customize the buttons to control any electronic devices as you want. The WS301 is a magnetic contact switch designed to provide a simple yet effective function of detecting access to doors or windows. This compact sensor can be effortlessly mounted on various surfaces, including metal, wood, or glass materials, making it versatile for use in different applications. The WS201 is a smart, fill-level sensor. It's designed for toilet paper remaining alerts, but it can't support Milesight device-to-device technology. The WS302 is an easily operated sensor to measure and investigate sound levels in a variety of environments, such as a quiet classroom or a noisy factory with machines. Simply connect and collect. No background knowledge of sound level weighting, response times, or the decibel scale is needed to use this sensor. And the IoT ink display, DS3604, can be used in office cubicle stations to display the occupant's name, title, and seat number, or used in a store or museum to show the basic information of a product. But that's not the end. You can also find the WS303 mini leak detection sensor and install it in a restroom or wherever there's a water leak risk. And I'd like to talk a little bit more about the WS500 series, which offers a range of smart devices with shared common features. Schedule, remote, and scene-based control capabilities. Users can automate and manage their devices based on specific time settings, easily control them remotely, and create scenes for synchronized operation. The series also includes power consumption measurements, allowing users to monitor and optimize energy usage. Additionally, the devices are equipped with overcurrent protection to ensure safe operation by preventing damage from excessive current flow. Furthermore, the multicast feature enables convenient remote control and management of multiple devices simultaneously. The WS50X smart wall switches are designed for the local and remote control of lights or other electrical appliances. It adopts 2-wire or 3-wire versions to replace the traditional wall switches in most of the international market. And the Smart Portable Socket WS523 is a nice tool to boost your energy efficiency. It plugs into UK, EU, US, or AU socket and enables you to switch or schedule a connected electronic device on or off anywhere, anytime. This sensor can measure active and reactive power and energy. It also provides power consumption measurement and overload protection to prevent the connected appliances, safety fuse, and the intelligent socket itself from damage caused by overcurrent. And next, the Smart Light Controller. WS558 allows users to monitor and control more lights remotely or locally in complex surroundings. Up to 8 lighting circuits. Just click on either of them. You can test the light status directly without additional networking or mechanical equipment. It features the power off memory function. In case of any power failure, the present settings will be saved. and the light controller will resume to the previous operating status when power is restored. Those products can be either worked in a standard LoRaWAN network, or they can make use of the Milesight device-to-device protocol to communicate with each other without latency. Milesight D2D protocol means direct and faster communication among the end nodes without the gateway involved. In a smart city, effective remote management and data collection play a crucial role in enhancing overall efficiency and transforming systems. Milesight offers a range of solutions that contribute to these goals. Temperature monitoring in industrial processes is essential for ensuring quality, efficiency, and safety in various industries. So no wonder that two new sensors are introduced in the Milesight TS series. The TS300 is a professional RTD temperature sensor that offers visualized monitoring through the big screen. It comes with an extendable 1.5 meter connecting line available in single or dual probe versions. More importantly, both of them support A-class and B-class temperature sensors, as well as food-grade temperature sensors or a magnetic contact switch sensor. The temperature probe is suitable to carry out measurements of surface temperatures of -50 to 500 degrees Celsius, built with high-quality materials and advanced mechanisms. It complies with HACCP standards, including automated data collection. The optional magnetic contact sensor detects open doors within a space, triggering timely alarms based on temperature variations and doctor openness. Through the USB Type-C port, you can export data in PDF format for anti-tampering. They are so highly reliable in temperature detection that you can work them in food processing, liquid monitoring, medicine storage, and many other industrial appliances. With Milesight water leak detection sensors, there is no need to worry about water leakage in a smart building. Yes, we already have sensors for spot and zone detection, but this time the new product EM300MLD will cover your different requirements because of the flexible printed membranes. There's no need to replace them after use. Membranes are 100% reusable, and you can understand the severity of a leak. It's designed to cover any area or appliance you want to monitor, such as water pipes, gas lines, common appliances, and other infrastructure. With our smart sensors installed, you can save money by detecting leaks and mitigating risks before major water damage occurs. Did I say its operational life is up to 10 years? Next, let's see what kind of sensors can be used for building up a smart restroom solution. You need to know the status of each cubicle and 100% protect privacy. The bathroom occupancy sensor, VES330, can be installed on the wall or the ceiling of a cubicle. It takes time of flight and passive infrared technology to check the presence 100% anonymously. To optimize refills, no more worries that towels will run out at the worst moment. Fill level monitoring WS201 will send you toilet paper remaining alert timely, sending notifications when bins or small trash cans are full. The time of flight laser distance sensor EM400 TLD is the right model, detecting odor gases, ammonia, and hydrogen sulfide in air temperature. Humidity can send this data to your ventilation and air conditioner to ask it to heat or cool the surroundings. The mini water leak sensor can be positioned in any location to detect water leaks, helping to prevent slip and fall accidents and potential damage to walls or other structures. An emergency button, WS101, in the restroom is a safety feature that allows individuals to quickly seek help or alert authorities in case of emergencies or urgent situations. And the EM300 capacitive level sensor, a popular sensor in the smart restroom solution. It adopts non-contact, high-sensitive capacitive sensing module enabling liquid level status monitoring. Low power consumption and long battery life make it a best fit for the long-term restroom management. All of the above sensors are based on wireless deployment. They forward the data to Milesight LoRaWAN gateway and finally make them visible in Milesight Cloud or your platform. Counter magnetic contact switch sensor and tilt sensors are also commonly used in smart cities. For example, the tilt sensor can be used for trees tilt alert after typhoon or a barrier gate broken alert. The built-in 3-axis accelerometer allows you to set up thresholds and generate alerts when it is beyond the limits. Milesight EM400 series, our versatile and powerful distance and level measuring sensor series, is now offered in both NB-IoT and LoRaWAN versions. The EM400 TLD takes use of the time-of-flight technology and has almost no blind spots. It's ideal for small trash containers with a 2 to 350 centimeters detection range. The M400 MUD multifunctional ultrasonic distance sensor supports bin mode, parking lot mode, and standard mode. With only 3 centimeters of blind spots, it can be used in medium or large trash containers or parking lot status detection. The EM400 UDL adopts ultrasonic technology with different versions for flood monitoring, tank monitoring, or snow level monitoring. The EM500 is composed of 7 models covering almost every aspect of the agriculture field, such as the soil, light, and weather conditions. The parameters of each model are listed here for your reference. They can be used in any harsh environment. There are a lot of IoT use cases in the agriculture industry because the traditional farming strategies are usually based on time or experience, and operators have to spend a lot of time and energy on the complicated wiring installation or the interoperability between equipment from different vendors. But with Milesight products, there are no more worries. The EM500 series and UC500 controller enable the implementation of a smart greenhouse system. This solution utilizes environmental sensing, event triggering, and remote control capabilities to optimize growing conditions and improve crop yield. Moving forward is our weather station. We cannot change the weather, but it is prior knowledge helps reduce loss. It provides accurate and reliable weather monitoring, including temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, direction, automated irrigation with the EM500 SMTC, and UC510 solenoid valve controllers. They facilitate automated irrigation based on time and water flow parameters. The TS101 is an innovative all-in-one insertion temperature sensor with a wide temperature measuring range. It is versatile for various applications and features food-grade materials to ensure safety and compliance. The sensor's transmitter is robust and rated I-10 for impact resistance, making it reliable in challenging environments prone to knocks or impacts. Milesight AT101 is an outdoor tracker that combines GNSS and Wi-Fi IP MAC address scanning technologies to deliver highly accurate positioning data. It is equipped with tilt and temperature sensors, enabling extensive data collection in various scenarios, such as the livestock farming. In addition to the various series of sensing products, Milesight provides plenty of stable and high-performance connectivity devices for building a LoRaWAN network or cellular network. You may wonder how to choose the most suitable LoRaWAN gateway. In the market, you can either find lower than $100 gateway or even more than thousands dollars gateways according to the functionality. Milesight has identified that certain parts of customers in our segment, middle to high end, demand more cost-optimized gateways. With that in mind, the 4 standard LoRaWAN gateways all use Semtech SX1302 LoRa chips, which have optimized designs for performance and power consumption. In addition, they can meet the different LoRa frequencies in different regions and areas. the Milesight UGY63. It is a mini gateway for LoRa technology, and it offers deep coverage in difficult to reach areas, deep into the buildings, and super big warehouses. This is an interior only product, can't be used on the outside. With optional cellular 4G, the UG63 brings wireless communication, simplifying the network setup process. Moreover, the UG63 also supports Ethernet and Wi-Fi backhaul. The UG65 is our workforce gateway, has a built-in network server, and is configured with the NXP quad-core processor. The robust 8-channel gateway with IP65 enclosure is ideally suited to smart office, smart building, and semi-industrial scenarios. The UG67 is a rugged outdoor gateway with a powerful quad-core CPU. With its waterproof IP67 housing, this gateway is ideally suited for smart agriculture, smart metering, smart industry, smart city, and any outdoor projects. And the last unit, UG56. It is designed to be applied to industrial indoor environments. From the structure, it is a mini-sized device with an extensible external magnetic LoRa antenna. So you can put it into any limited spaces or boxes and keep the signal coverage through the extensible antennas. The signal coverage can be wide to 6 floors up and down. You also have the option of a fiberglass antenna instead if you need a stronger signal gain for outdoor coverage. Battery-powered or solar-powered LoRaWAN sensors are becoming more prevalent due to challenges with ensuring electricity availability in IoT deployments. And it's equally important to consider the power supply for LoRaWAN gateways, as they are often deployed in areas where accessing electricity is difficult. That's why we released the SG50 Ultra Low Power Gateway to address this challenge. Building automation systems based on traditional hardwired backnet protocols can be costly, difficult to extend, and inflexible when it comes to adding new functions. However, LoRaWAN technology provides a better way to manage functional spaces by enabling an extension of backnet capabilities, except for the mini version and solar-powered model. All the other 3 standard LoRaWAN gateways, UG65, UG67, and UG56 have been supporting backnet to IP protocol. Routers come in a broad range of specifications and robustness, depending on their intended use case or target customer. The Mini Light series and Pro series are standard industrial cellular routers. They can cover different needs from lightweight to middle-end applications. Of course, at the most competitive prices. They can be used in ATM machines, kiosk, vending machines, and anywhere the Ethernet cable is hard to reach. If you are mindful of the high-speed data rate, almost zero latency communication, I think only 5G cellular network can better meet your critical missions. As shown on this page, these are all 5G product series products for today. UF31 5G dongle for your wired and inbuilt usage. And then our 5G CPE. It can be connected with machines due to the serial port interface design or provide Wi-Fi coverage for remote connection. And next to it is the UR75 industrial router. They have something in common, such as they only support 5GNR sub-6 GHz and can be worked in both standalone and non-standalone modes. The X series includes innovative sensing cameras, such as the X1 and X5 models. The X5 sensing camera is the most advanced product of the X series. Its core value, image sensing, remains, but in terms of capture methods, in addition to the timed capture and external alarm digital input trigger capture, the X5 camera has added additional sources such as passive infrared and radar. The PIR and radar sensors enable immediate detection of humans or animals, or based on the thresholds of temperature and noise to trigger captures automatically. These include an IP66 dust and water resistance rating, compatibility with solar power supply, upgraded processor chips, and additional environmental sensing capabilities such as noise and temperature detection, among others. Along with the wireless cellular 4G transmission and Wi-Fi configuration capabilities, the support for battery Type-C port, and solar panel power supply make it highly adaptable for community inspection, scientific study, and greenhouses to cater to a wider range of scenarios and facilitate image transmission. Milesight has introduced the new Wi-Fi technology. This addresses the limitations of bandwidth and transmission rates in specific scenarios. The X1 sensing camera can capture vehicles' pictures or water meter photos, for example, and wirelessly transfer through Wi-Fi to the back-end platform. In terms of capture methods, you can set up timed capture, alarm digital input trigger capture, or manually press a button to take a photo quickly. On the last part, I'd like to share with you something about the iBox kits. To help our customers build up a complete LoRaWAN solution quickly and make a successful pilot testing as soon as possible, we recommend the upgraded version of iBox demo kits for the new LoRaWAN entry-level customers. IEQ Co-work for desk occupancy, Co-work kit for blinds and lights control, restroom monitoring, building energy efficiency, and smart agriculture kit. Milesight iBox kits are composed of Milesight's most popular LoRaWAN sensors and gateway, along with the built-in network server and a year-free cloud service that allows somebody without any engineering skills or staffing to make it work. Milesight offers a comprehensive and sustained support system that covers various aspects such as sales, marketing, technical assistance, and training. This support enables our partners to maximize their opportunities during both the pre-sale and after-sale stages of their projects. We provide 24/5 technical support, ensuring that any technical issues or inquiries can be resolved efficiently. To further enhance our commitment to customer satisfaction, we offer extended warranty options that provide additional peace of mind for our partners and their clients. By offering a range of services, we enable our partners to seize tangible opportunities and achieve their goals in the IoT industry. Now let's explore the upcoming new products scheduled for release in the first half of this year. Earlier, we used to launch about 30 new products every year. However, you may have noticed that we have slowed down the pace of innovation this year. There are two main reasons for this change. First, our product lineup now covers a wide range of applications, meeting the majority of our customers' needs with our comprehensive line of IoT products. Second, we have shifted our focus to improving and optimizing our existing products to set new industry standards. We want to be at the forefront in areas such as advanced people counting solutions, energy-efficient solutions for buildings, and environmental temperature monitoring solutions for industrial, food, and medical industries. Without further ado, allow me to introduce our new products. If you're in the building and retail industries, get ready to be pleasantly surprised by our upcoming releases and feature upgrades for the VS People Counting series. First up is the new product VS 135 Ultra Time of Flight People Counter, which is now available for sample testing. Considering the power-hungry nature of time-of-flight technology, installing the sensor at a higher position, like up to 6 or 7 meters above the ground, can further increase power consumption and device temperature due to its expanded detection range. To address this, we have optimized the design and implemented hardware upgrades for the VS 135. For example, we have introduced a radar sensor alongside the time-of-flight sensor. Thanks to the radar sensor, the time-of-flight sensor can go to sleep when there is no movement, effectively reducing power consumption. It can quickly wake up when someone passes by when detected by radar. Of course, we will discuss some other important features in detail later on. And wait until March and May, the VS 133 and 135 both will be getting upgraded to enhance their detection capabilities. Some human-related features, more specifically human behavior or activity recognition, will be supported by these products. For instance, shopping cart fill level detection is crucial for users in malls and the retail industry. Moreover, features like tailgating detection can broaden the range of applications and extend into the transportation industry. You might be wondering why we're still introducing the new products VS351 and 360 when the functionality of the time-of-flight based models is already impressive. Well, the reason is that some customers are unable to provide suitable locations for ceiling mounted devices like VS133 and 135. But they still have a strong need for a people counter with high accuracy, battery-powered, wireless transmission, and easy deployment in simple scenarios that only require wall-mounted installation. That's why we've developed the dual technology, PIR and thermopile-based VS351 and active infrared beam brake sensor, VS360 to meet these specific demands. If everything goes well, they will be ready in April and May respectively. Next up, we have the energy-efficient product CT current transformers. Some customers may question the need for installing current transformers when smart meters are readily available. This indicates a lack of understanding regarding the differences between them. Allow me to briefly explain the distinctions here. In low-voltage power systems, buildings usually have power meters at the main entrance to track overall energy usage for individual floors or the entire premises. However, these smart meters only provide real-time recording and uploading of overall energy consumption data without detailed insights into specific devices or systems. On the other hand, smart current transformers can measure the energy usage of specific devices and systems without disrupting the existing circuits. They can also help identify abnormal energy consumption patterns and derive conclusions for implementing energy-saving measures. This time, introducing our latest offerings in the CT series for circuit measurement. The CT100 is designed for single-phase circuits, now available for ordering. Additionally, we have the CT300 specifically designed for three-phase monitoring, and it will be ready in May. In the past, during the marketing of environmental sensing solutions, our team received a lot of customer feedback regarding the need for a temperature sensor that is affordable, compact, highly accurate detection, and supports features such as an extended probe that can be put into a freezer or any other desired location, adhesive temperature measurement, and data storage. These requirements were particularly relevant for applications in cold chain logistics and kitchen environments. Taking this feedback into account, we have planned to release the TS201 temperature sensor in June. It aims to meet these demands while offering the most competitive price in the market. In terms of connectivity, apart from LoRaWAN, a new LP1 technology-based product is ready to enhance connectivity options. Yes, that's the Wi-Fi Halo Gateway. As we all know, LoRa has limited bandwidth and transmission speed, which can be challenging for applications that require low power consumption and medium-sized coverage, while transmitting large data volumes like images. To bridge this gap, we have developed an indoor gateway HL31 utilizing Wi-Fi Halo technology. Samples of this gateway are available for testing upon request. When setting up a LoRaWAN network, users need to find an optimal placement of gateways and nodes, as well as monitor and analyze the network and frequency bands. However, the current NFC and mobile toolbox configuration methods do not offer the best user experience. That's why we're excited to announce the upcoming launch of the Milesight field tester in March. Its primary function is to provide real-time monitoring of the uplink and downlink signal quality. Additionally, it comes with built-in toolbox configuration capabilities, making it a valuable tool for sensor upgrades, configurations, and debugging. 2024. You'll enjoy a new version of iBox kits for the IAQ, Cowork, Smart Building, Smart Agriculture, and Smart Restroom Monitoring. And more thematic webinars are waiting for you ahead. Now let's explore the details of the new products or new upgrades one by one. To cater to various scenarios, Milesight offers a diverse range of occupancy and people counting monitoring technologies, from space planning in office environments to footfall analysis in retail malls, from aisles and desks to cubicles of restroom monitoring. Users can always easily find the perfect solution from the versatile VS series. VS 135 is the Pro version of VS 133 with an enhanced installation height of 6.5 meters, a detection area of about 22 square meters, and 99.8% accuracy. With the optimized enclosure box design, the VS 135 has become sleeker and its ability to dissipate heat has been significantly enhanced. As we just talked about, thanks to the radar sensor. The TOF sensor can quickly awaken and operate at full speed to count the number of people when detecting people's presence. When no one's detected by radar, the TOF sensor enters a sleep mode to save power, meeting the low carbon and ESG initiatives. Another hardware upgrade lies on the 3-axis sensor, which helps to automatically calibrate the height of individuals when the installation environment is restricted or the device is mounted at a tilt. This ensures accurate differentiation between children and adults. Finally, you have several wireless transmission options such as LoRaWAN, 4G cellular, Wi-Fi Hello, as well as wired transmission through the Power over Ethernet connection. Of course, they come in different models. Moreover, to ease your maintenance, all the models of VS135 will support Wi-Fi access point. Improvement and optimization of hardware functionality have expanded the potential applications for the VS135. One notable example is its suitability for the ground floor of shopping malls, where ceiling heights usually reach around 5 meters. Additionally, airport terminals require equipment with higher mounting heights for people counting purposes. In high-traffic areas such as parks, museums, and open-top swimming pools, there is a need for products with higher IP65 ratings to mitigate the risks associated with water exposure. In terms of the counting functions, you may find it inherits all the advantages and features of the VS133, such as 100% anonymous detection, regional people counting and dwell time, adults, children, and staff differentiation, advanced group counting, U-turns filtering, and more. When I think about VS351, a few key features immediately come to mind. Mid-range market positioning, hassle-free wireless installation, dual detection methods, AI algorithms, guaranteed high accuracy, battery power, LoRaWAN transmission, and low carbon of ESG standards. The integration of multiple sensors further enhances its capabilities. The PIR sensor triggers device wake-up, while the thermopile sensor enables high-precision people counting. Additionally, the temperature sensor detects ambient temperature, ensuring the device operates within reasonable temperature limits. In terms of detection accuracy, the VS351 stands out from its competitors. While others may sacrifice algorithm accuracy to lower the power consumption, Milesight implements on-device algorithms that perfect the balance. It means the accuracy can be up to 95% of overall detection and 99% of single passage detection, and the battery life can last to a year and a half. These product capabilities are few and far between in the market. The VS351 is versatile when it comes to installation. It features a seamless connection of the main body and battery, just like splicing the toy bricks, making it convenient and fast to set up. Additionally, you can make adjustments to the sensor probe to make sure it's vertically downward for different scenarios. Where can we put it? It is suitable for indoor entrances and exits with relatively stable temperature environments, such as office buildings. The battery-powered version is completely wire-free, allowing it to be installed without restrictions imposed by power grid layouts. This makes it particularly suitable for energy-saving solutions in older office buildings. Infrared beam brake is a well-established technology solution for people counting. Unlike passive infrared, it has the advantage of being more resistant to false detection and interference caused by changes in environmental temperature. To maintain this advantage, Milesight has improved power consumption to prolong battery life without compromising the detection accuracy on the VS360. The new people counter features two parts: an infrared master and an infrared node, both of which have got transmitter and receiver. And there's a screen on the master to show you important statistics, such as the battery volume of both master and node parts, their alignment status, the number of people in and out, and abnormal statuses like obstructions. You might be wondering how we achieve bidirectional people counting. Well, it's all thanks to the node part that sends out two beams toward the master. The sensor can detect which beam is touched first by a moving object, allowing you to know whether it's an in or out. You can customize the in and out directions. In general, the VS360 is a battery-powered people counter that can last up to 3 years on a single charge. This is based on conditions of 10-minute intervals, a daily count of 2,000 people, and a 12-hour working period. It features a side-mounting design with separate parts and requires a mounting distance of 2 to 3 meters. When deployed in a high-traffic area, the sensor can achieve an impressive accuracy rate of approximately 80%. A highly common application scenario for the beam brake sensor is in shopping malls, specifically at cosmetics counters or clothing areas, where ceiling-mounted installations are not allowed in open spaces. In such cases, the VS360 provides a non-intrusive wireless device option that can be easily deployed without compromising the aesthetics or layout of the area. That's not the end. To further improve the competitiveness of our products, we have some exciting updates planned for the VS133 and its Pro version VS135 in March and May. Stay tuned for more details. Next month, in March, you'll get 4 exciting new features soon. As you can see in the shopping cart in the picture, that's right, it's the shopping cart level detection. Due to the RGB, it will be available on the PoE version of both models, as well as the 4G Wi-Fi Halo version of VS135. The updating of the special algorithm can tell whether shopping carts are empty, loaded, or fully loaded. This is a game changer for smart retail management. By combining shopping cart level detection with dwell time analysis, we can track how long shopping carts stay in specific areas, which gives us valuable insights into the popular zones within the supermarket. This information helps owners adjust the number of open checkout counters and allocate staff during busy and idle times, ultimately reducing congestion at the checkout area. This not only cuts down on wait times, but also enhances the overall customer experience. Another important upgrade is the capability of integration with physical interfaces, such as the digital output for trigger settings. Then the sensor can send an alarm signal when a child enters or exits certain areas. We're going to upgrade the video verification feature on all models of VS13X. Right now, the validation feature in the sensors only allows for setting up one continuous recording task. However, there are situations where events don't happen continuously, and there can be long gaps in between to prevent recording too much unnecessary data that fills up storage space. We can support the creation of multiple recording tasks. Finally is the scheduled TOV light. This feature reduces unnecessary power usage during idle times, improves heat dissipation, and extends the lifespan of the device. By May, the VS13 series is poised to completely transform a new industry: people counting on public transportation. In the world of public transportation, accurately counting people and analyzing the flow is crucial. This often calls for extra monitoring systems like tailgating detection at ticket barriers. The VS13X series has stepped up to the challenge by introducing a new feature that detects human behaviors during people counting. The multi-device stitching function is nothing new. as it is already supported by the PoE version of the VS133, allowing up to 4 units to be combined. Now, to achieve even wider coverage for detection, we're planning to upgrade it on the VS135 PoE and 4G cellular versions, enabling a maximum of 8 units to be stitched together. But the stitching is not allowed between VS133 and 135. Of course, the Milesight D2D will enable the LoRaWAN version of VS13X to cooperate with other Milesight LoRaWAN sensors to realize the alarm triggering and interaction. And the 4G version of VS135 will support VPN, remote access, for being compatible with more applications. Absolutely. The VS series has made a remarkable impact and holds a leading position in the people counting industry. That's why we've dedicated so much time to showcasing its features. Now let's continue to the energy efficiency solutions. Energy efficiency has always been one of our top priorities. This time, we are introducing 2 new products that specialize in energy monitoring, allowing for improved management of energy consumption. Additionally, we are thrilled to announce the launch of a brand new temperature monitoring sensor. Based on extensive research and valuable feedback from last year, we have added a new temperature sensor to our existing product line. Let's delve into the details. CT series consists of 2 types: CT10X and 30X. As the name suggests, the CT10X is designed for single-phase monitoring, while the 30X is suitable for 3-phase monitoring. Additionally, each variant has different detecting ranges. The 101 supports up to 100 amps, the 103 supports up to 300 amps, and the 30X offers options of 500 and 1000 amps, and all 3 probes of the same device have identical measuring ranges. Installing the current transformer is a breeze, as you don't need to care about the current direction. They allow for non-intrusive measurement of current flowing through a conductor. Its split core design enables easy installation without interrupting the circuit, and also the device can be powered directly by the circuit without batteries. Moreover, it can be pre-charged and configured using the USB Type-C, enabling a swift and hassle-free setup with the LoRaWAN gateway. If there is no current flowing through the cable, the device can be powered through Type-C temporary charging. Additionally, the device incorporates a supercapacitor that stores energy based on our smart design. When the current of the measured circuit reaches 0, the device can enter standby mode and remain operational for approximately 5 hours. Once the current is restored, the device can resume charging and normal operation using magnetic induction. It captures the magnetic field generated by the current and converts it into an electrical output proportional to the measured current. For example, you can input the nominal voltage, current, and power factor in Milesight Cloud to come out with the general power consumption and get informed by the tendency of changes and abnormalities. Overall, Milesight CT series support up to 3.3 kHz sampling frequency for reaching a higher accuracy while measuring the current value. It can offer automatic calculation of cumulative amps hour values once per second. One thing worth mentioning is that the CT sensors are specifically designed for detecting AC circuits and are not compatible with DC circuits. The majority of project requirements we receive focus on the precise collection of RMS root, mean square voltage and current data to enhance power system monitoring. The CT series is perfectly suited to fulfill these demands. It supports targeted detection of high current loads in a wide range of applications, including refrigeration systems, construction sites, industrial HVAC systems, and monitoring of small electrical appliances in buildings. This image demonstrates the different ways the CT10X and 30X models can be used. In industrial applications with higher voltages, like in China, where the power distribution voltage can reach up to 380 volts, which requires larger measuring ranges. Then we recommend the CT30X 3-phase current transformer. It works great for scenarios involving high voltage appliances, such as industrial motors found in factories. On the other hand, in everyday building usage, we often have small appliances like refrigerators, coffee machines, and lights that operate on single phase power. The power from the distribution box is converted into relatively lower voltage and current. In this case, the CT10X is perfect for such appliances. Well, next up is the temperature sensor TS201. When it comes to temperature sensors, the top priorities for most users are the range of temperatures they can measure, the price, and how easily they can be installed in the field. Indeed, this new model is specifically designed for entry-level applications and comes at an affordable price. It is suitable for a range of environments including warehouse management, hospitals, supermarkets, and restaurants. This new model incorporates the DS18B20 sensor, which is highly renowned for its exceptional accuracy and wide temperature range spanning from minus 55 to plus 125 degrees. What's more, the DS18B20 temperature probe can be detached, enabling separate removal and precise calibration. The TS201 is designed to support battery power, offering an impressive battery life of up to 3 years while detecting temperature at 10-minute intervals. The battery design is changed to an external attachment. This sensor has undergone an important design change. The battery interface is now placed externally. You can see the black interface on the right side. This makes it much easier for users to install the battery with IP67 protection and allows the device to power on instantly upon connecting the battery, without the need for a separate power button. The inconvenience associated with NFC startup has been effectively addressed. Moreover, it also supports an optional glass bead thermal buffer bottle for insulation blocking and stable detection. If you're involved in smart agriculture or smart irrigation applications, you shouldn't overlook the enhanced features of the UC510 solenoid valve controllers. It offers 2 solenoid interfaces and 2 GPIO interfaces and supports both local and remote control. The upgraded feature introduces D2D functionality, facilitating threshold alarms for pulse counting and enabling the configuration of pulse filtering rates. Extensive testing with renowned solenoid valve manufacturers like Rainbird Hunter and Burmad has confirmed the compatibility of the controllers with all 12-volt DC latching solenoids equipped with 2 wires. In addition to our range of digital sensing products, Milesight has exciting new tools and platforms lined up for release this year. In 2023, we introduced Wi-Fi Halo technology along with the HL31 Wi-Fi Halo Gateway. We are thrilled to announce the sample of Gateway is available this month, and we can't wait to share all its features and capabilities. Moreover, I would like to introduce a new tool specifically created to simplify the deployment of LoRaWAN devices. This tool not only aids in signal detection but also enhances the integration between LoRaWAN gateways and sensors. It provides optimized mechanisms for improved performance, making it easier than ever to maximize the potential of your LoRaWAN network. Wi-Fi Halo is a wireless communication technology designed for the Internet of Things applications. It is based on the 802.11 AH standard and operates in the sub-gigahertz frequency band. The main difference between Wi-Fi Halo and standard Wi-Fi lies in their extended range coverage, lower power consumption, and much lower data rate. Theoretically, Wi-Fi Halo can support up to 1,000 end nodes connections and cover up to 1 kilometer distance. Wi-Fi Halo and LoRa are both wireless communication technologies designed for Internet of Things applications, but they have some key differences such as the range, bandwidth, and data throughput. From the application, LoRaWAN proves sufficient for monitoring low data sensor networks over kilometers in range And the necessity for transmitting more data, such as images, video, or software updates, makes Wi Fi Hello the obvious choice. After thorough consideration, the extra data throughput of Wi Fi Hello is filling the gap between LoRaWAN and standard Wi Fi and enabling new IoT solutions to the market. This is why you can see that Milesight is increasingly involved in various IoT technologies. The HL31 is a cutting-edge indoor Wi-Fi Hello gateway that is specifically designed to efficiently transmit data from multiple low-power, large data devices to the cloud through Ethernet or optional cellular connection. This versatile solution is ideal for applications that demand significant data capacity, low power consumption, and medium-sized coverage requirements. It also provides Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz access point mode for easy configuration. You can use the X1 sensing camera with a Wi-Fi Hello gateway in different applications. For indoor inspections, it can replace manual inspections and utilize AI algorithms for tasks like meter identification. In indoor settings, the camera's alarm feature allows for secondary verification. Additionally, it can be used in building automation to control and monitor various devices using Wi-Fi Hello sensors, for example, used in healthcare facilities. It operates on a secure network, avoiding the congested 2.4 or 5 gigahertz frequency bands of Wi-Fi networks. When deploying a LoRaWAN network, there are typically 4 distinct stages, including project planning, signal evaluation, installation and commissioning, and device maintenance. In the first project planning stage, we'll provide deployment guidelines and professional pre-sales support to assist in planning the optimal site for deploying LoRaWAN devices. The LoRaWAN-based tool Milesight Field Tester will first address the challenges posed by the second stage, signal evaluation. Much time would be spent on simulated signal testing between end nodes and gateways, making it difficult to check and understand concepts such as RSSI and SNR. The Milesight Field Tester serves as an on-site signal assessment tool. Simply input the device EUI of the Milesight Field Tester for binding. When you activate the field tester on-site, it will automatically request downlinks from the LoRaWAN gateway and evaluate the signal strength. While doing the installation and commissioning, all the device information will be listed for user reference. The labeled and laser engraved serial number and EUI aid in quick installation and debugging. For device maintenance, Toolbox is our existing tool for NFC, scanning, and fast firmware upgrades. Milesight development platform is expected to support remote over-the-air updates in the third quarter. As the Milesight Field Tester continues to evolve and offers more features, users can experience different benefits and functionalities at various stages of their testing process. At Milesight, we are committed to providing you with the best products as a hardware provider. Meanwhile, we also strive to develop a range of platforms and services that will make your projects easier and better support our customers. You might be familiar with some of Milesight's available platforms like Milesight, IoT Cloud Device Hub Toolbox, Milesight VPN, and Milesight Sensing Platform. That's not the end. Milesight is super excited to introduce the fresh and improved versions of these platforms. They're designed to meet device management requirements and more LoRaWAN network service for both on-premise and online cloud-based solutions. Milesight Device Hub 2.0 has enhanced its device management capabilities and now serves as an on-premise LoRaWAN network server, functioning similarly to embedded LoRaWAN network servers. For its device management capability, the Device Hub has enabled remote restart and expanded its access to obtaining device information, making it easier to do bulk operations in Tasks View. For the LoRaWAN network server support function, the platform enables the LoRaWAN network server module just like the embedded network server Milesight LoRaWAN gateway supports. The Milesight Development Platform is a global and open Internet of Things platform specifically designed for users and developers in the IoT industry. It supports the integration of IoT devices based on various protocols and offers convenient features like plug-and-play device pre-configuration, bulk device management, and device modeling. The platform also provides standard RESTful API and webhook interfaces, empowering developers to seamlessly integrate IoT devices and speed up the development of their own solution applications. The development of the platform will be divided into 3 stages, considering the complexity and importance of the features. Currently, we have completed the foundation stage and are now advancing towards the innovation stage. Hardware Unified Access Capability. It refers to 2 dimensions based on the Unified TSLE Things Special Language. Firstly, it supports third-party devices to achieve quick compatibility and profiles through MQTT, providing strong compatibility at the device level. Secondly, the platform is highly compatible with the application platforms with the provided API and webhook by HTTP, unifying functions such as device data display, event reporting, and service invocation modules. It ensures compatibility and smooth connection between LoRaWAN devices and simplifies device connection, promotes interoperability, and enhances overall system performance. The second important feature is device management and control. This enables users to remotely manage their devices and do the bulk device add and profile configuration. It will support LoRaWAN end nodes in the second quarter. One of the key features we can offer now is device pre-configuration, which we refer to as auto-provisioning configuration, plug and play. With the help of our RP service and unified device management standard, you can effortlessly deploy multiple devices without the need for additional configuration steps. This streamlined process enables you to quickly and efficiently put the devices into operation. It saves time and effort, making the deployment process smooth and hassle-free. In the near future, our platform will introduce a range of advanced service capabilities to enhance innovation and convenience in project implementation. These features will offer improved compatibility with third-party data and streamline the process of encapsulating data for specific scenarios. Our aim is to provide a more seamless and user-friendly experience, encouraging greater flexibility and integration with external systems. Stay tuned for these exciting updates that will bring enhanced functionality and convenience to our platform users. Currently, the Milesight development platform is already compatible with several devices, including the PoE version of VS133 and 121 people counting sensors, as well as the VS350 passage people counter, AM308, UC100 controller, most of the EM300 series, WS203 motion and temperature humidity sensor, and WS303 mini leak detection sensor. We are continuously working on upgrading our compatibility to include more devices in our scheduled plans. Looking forward, what new products can be expected in the second half of this year are listed here. Introducing the vape detector. This detector will be capable of precisely measuring parameters such as temperature, humidity, total volatile organic compounds, and various particulate matter sizes. With compatibility for Type-C and power over Ethernet, it ensures convenient and frequent supervision. For effective alerting and notification, the device will feature a 70 decibel buzzer and multicolor indicator. Additional functionalities like PIR sensors, carbon dioxide monitoring, and emergency sound monitoring are also under consideration. Moreover, the fall detector will employ radar technology, enabling accurate assessment of fall status. It will support Type-C and power over Ethernet for regular supervision, providing an additional layer of safety protection. And we can also expect the existence detector for status monitoring. The battery-powered device will be powered by radar technology to detect existence status in confined spaces such as meeting rooms. At Milesight, we already offer a range of distance sensors utilizing ultrasonic or time-of-flight technology to further enhance our product portfolio. We are currently planning the development of a millimeter wave radar distance detector specifically designed for outdoor and underground water level measurement. In the future, we will offer enhanced energy efficiency solution through the brightness controller, which will support advanced brightness adjustment capabilities. For more Milesight insights, please keep following us on our social media. Thank you all for your attendance today. And I hope today's introduction will help you better understand Milesight's product planning for the upcoming months. Hope you found it worthwhile.